Guys, thanks for checking out this video. I just wanted to say a big thank you to Steve over at Frontline Cigars. I placed an order for, as of right now, my favorite of the cigars that I have tried that he has recommended. So I ordered a box of the Drew Estate Isla del Sols. These are awesome. They are a coffee infused cigar, and they're very tasty. And Steve surprised me by including 2 of these H. Upmann Connoisseur B cigars. As you can see, there's only one right now. One was tragically destroyed in a fire yesterday. So, what can I tell you about Frontline Cigars? A great company. They have become a sponsor with us and our Justin's Final Mission. They donate 10% of all profits to help the Heroes Foundation, and on top of that, they're part of Cigars for Warriors. So what you can do is you can go over to their site, purchase a cigar, in the checkout put CFW, and you will get free shipping, and that cigar goes to an active duty member of our military somewhere deployed. But wait, there's more. Frontline is also donating $2 from that purchase for the Cigars for Warriors. $2 for every cigar goes to our Justin's Final Mission. And it is legit because they have already deposited money into the Justin's Final Mission Active Heroes account. So, nothing long and drawn out. I'll put all the links below. If you're a cigar smoker, you can go over and check out the stuff. They got mugs and lighters and ashtrays and all sorts of really cool shirts, on top of all the fantastic cigars at very, very reasonable prices. And like I said, if you're not a smoker, but you believe in saying thank you to our military members, you can purchase a cigar for one of them, and they will take care of everything else. You just simply put CFW at the time of checkout, and that cigar will be on its way to an active member of our military. Questions, comments, please leave them down below. Otherwise, the weather isn't very nice today, Steve, but I intend on having one of these today. So, okay, guys, cheers, and thank you to Frontline Cigars for everything that you do for people in the service, fire department, first responders, police, and especially what you do for us and our Justin's Final Mission. Cheers.